In this video, I'm going to answer this question. By the way, this is a series of videos where I am sharing as much information as I know to beginner TikTok shop affiliates. And by the way, you're probably wondering, why should you care about becoming a beginner TikTok shop affiliate? Well,
so I made $50,000
and $700
over $59,000 in
apologies, my voice sounds a bit weird. I'm fighting a cold at the minute, but that being said, here is step one. So the assumption here is you've just started this TikTok affiliate account and you are now wanting to post a green screen video. Maybe you don't have any money to spend on purchasing a product on TikTok directly or on Amazon. Maybe you feel like it's going to take too long to get any samples and you are applying for samples, but you don't want to wait until they get approved. Or maybe you just want to test out what products work on your account before actually taking the steps and purchasing the product or applying for the sample, which is very smart, by the way. You're checking what products people are responding positively to, and then after that you can then go on and either ask the seller to send you a sample because you've already got some sales, or you can go ahead and purchase the product yourself because you can see that a lot of people are purchasing that product anyway. But that is the assumption. That being said, this is step one. So I'm just going to go into the product marketplace, just underneath where it's got TikTok Shop Toolkit, and I am going to select a product. Let's say, just for the sake of this video, the product that you are interested in promoting is that adult night vision those adult night vision binoculars. I can't speak for some reason. As you can see, they've got a relatively decent commission at £7.33, so around $8 maybe, thereabouts. So what you then do is, if you click on the image of the product, you can see that there's different images that the shop owner has put on the carousel there to show to people that are interested in purchasing the product. This is a really good way for shop owners to show the different features of the product as well. So you've got all these images that you can play around with and use in order to promote the product via green screen. So what I would then do is screenshot all of these different images. Step two. So for step two, what I would then do is look at the description of the product and familiarize myself with the description. Now it looks very straightforward here. All it is, it's one set 4K adult night vision binoculars, 3-inch large screen binoculars, night vision camera with 32GB memory card for surveillance tactical equipment. Now you can either copy this and place this onto your notepad on your phone. You can write it down on a actual physical notepad, or you can try and memorize it if you are someone that's familiar with this product. That's why it's also good to select products that you can talk about, that you're quite comfortable to talk about as well, because you wouldn't have to necessarily memorize a lot if you're talking about something that you are very familiar with. Whereas if you want to promote something that you're not overly familiar with, that's okay as well. You just have to make sure that you get the facts right. Step three, I'm gonna click on add this to showcase. You'll see why I've done that in a minute. So it's now on my account's showcase. Step four, film the actual video. So all you do for that is, if I go into plus, like you would film any other normal video, and if I select I'll select the 10-minute option just in case. I always get paranoid that if I select a shorter option, I'm not gonna have enough for my video. And then if I go into effects and select green screen, so that should give you a rough idea of what it is like creating that video. Step five, be just optimizing the SEO of the video, adding your description, adding your hashtags, and adding as much information as you can to make the video easy to find. I would type that product in on the TikTok search bar to get an idea of what people are typing as they are searching for it. That way your video will come up when you create a video about that product. if people are interested in. It may be that it's not a product that people are interested in and there's not a lot of searches for it, so this is not a guarantee that you're going to get a lot of views, but it puts you in a much better position than if you had not put any hashtags that people are searching for in the video at all. So if you put something along the lines of there you go. So straight away, TikTok is giving you some suggestions there of what people are searching for. So you've got just your your night vision binoculars. You've also got night vision binoculars with IR, night vision binocular goggles, night vision binocular case. So these are the types of hashtags that you can include in your description as well. I can take this a step further and type in letters at the end, see if anything else comes up. If it doesn't, then you can just go from A to Z and see what other suggestions TikTok is bringing up in terms of what people are searching for. But this should just give you an idea of what you can put in your description. Usually people say around 5 hashtags tend to be enough, but you can play around with it again and see what works on your profile. This again probably deserves a video on its own, so I'm not going to spend too much time talking about the SEO part of it. And yeah, you can create multiple videos. It's a really good way of testing out and seeing what products work on your account without actually having the products in hand. And once you do find products that you've created videos on and as green screen videos, then you can obviously decide to invest and purchase the actual product, so you've got it in hand, so you can promote it again on a future video because you now know that TikTok has an audience that is interested. Having seen that, you might still have a ton of questions about becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate. How do you sign up? How do you find products to promote? How it works? How much people are making? How do you navigate the dashboard? How violations work, etc. The video that you can see on the screen right now is a full free course that walks you through all of those points and more, and that should answer pretty much every question that you've got about TikTok Shop from an affiliate's perspective. So if you click on this video, I'll see you in there.